Hi there, this is Fixed It. This actually is a voltage and current USB device, so it actually allows you to see the voltage and the current on your USB charger or your PC, Mac or whatever laptop. What's good about this one, if I open the box, where's the opening? Here it is. So let's just open this box and take this out. And as you can see, it's a pretty solid device. It's obviously got an OLED or other screen in there, but it's got two ends. On the one end is this USB 3 male, on the other end is a USB female. Now the beauty of this is it allows you to do tests in situ, i.e. I can plug this into something, and I can also then plug this into a device and then a USB onto there, and it will actually give me the details of what the device that I plug in here is using. This voltage and current meter doesn't actually come with a manual in the box. There are two QRP codes on this card that came inside the box. One is in English and the other one is in Chinese, and details of where to get the PDF for the instructions, because this USB 3 AT34 current and voltage meter doesn't just do current and voltage, it does a whole range of other activities, as you can see by the extra bits on the display. So you can use the QRP code or you can use the web address here in order to get the instructions, which is exactly what I'll do to figure out how to use all the other facilities of this device. In part 2 of this video, I'll be showing you how I use this. These are worthwhile items to buy, as you'll see when you see part 2. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.